welcome you in semester 2, period of English, standard 7, lesson number 7, the invention of Vita Wonk. The invention of the Vita Wonk. Let us start the lesson. First, the story is about Mr. Willy Wonk begins by inventing Wonk Vita, which makes people younger. But Wonk Vita is too strong. So some people disappear because of their age becomes minus. One person actually become minus 18 even, which means he is got to wait 87 years before he can come back. Mr. Willy Wonk must invent a new thing. Who is Mr. Willy Wonk? Mr. Willy Wonk was the owner of chocolate factory. The lesson is about the oldest trees, oldest people, and do you know who are the oldest people you know? What are the oldest thing you have in house, in your city, town, village? How old are they? This is for your general knowledge. Find children by yourself. Who is the oldest people you know? What are the oldest thing you have in house, in your city, town, village? How old are you? Have you ever wished that you were older? Have you ever wished that you could grow up in age? The invention of Vita Wonk. Mr. Willy Wonk, owner of the chocolate factory, begins by inventing Wonk Vita, which makes people younger. But Wonk Vita is too strong. It is the liquid and it is too strong. So some people disappear because their age becoming minus. One person actually becomes minus 87, which means he goes to wait 87 years before he can come back. Mr. Willy Wonk must invent a new thing. Now he wants to try to make a new thing. The whole lesson about the invention of the Vita Wonk and about the Mr. Willy Wonk invention. Now I start the lesson, page number 99. First part of the lesson. Mr. Wonk said, children, please take out your pencil, and when I tell, please underline the words or sentence for your knowledge, for your preparation of the examinations. Mr. Wonk said, so once again I rolled up my sleeves and set to work. Once again I squeezed my brain, searching for the new recipe. Underline the word recipe. Underline the word set to work. Meaning is given. My brain searching for the new recipe. I had to create age to make people old, older, oldest. Haha. I cried, for now the ideas were beginning to come. What is the oldest living thing in the world? What lives longer than anything else? It is about how long you live. He tried to make a new recipe and set to work. Meaning of the word set to work, began to work. Now he wants to get back to work. Roll up the sleeves means get back to hard work. He wants to do hard work for the new invention. And how we invent all that thing? By experiment something on something. About what? About creating age. For now, the idea. What is the idea of the Mr. Willy Wonk? Idea began to come in his mind. What is the old living thing in the world? What lives longer than anything else? Now underline the word recipe and the meaning of the word recipe. Instruction for making something. Here it is not about the cooking, it is about the recipe word is used for the experiment to make something. Instruction for making something. He asked to the Charlie, what lives longer than the anything else and what is the oldest living thing in the world? A tree, Charlie said. Charlie answered. Charlie answered, a tree. Tree. Right, you are Charlie. Charlie, you are totally right. But what kind of tree? Not the Douglas fir, not the oak, not the cedar. No, no, my boy. It is tree called the bristlecone pine that grows upon the slope of the Wheeler Peak of the Nevada. Please underline the word fir, oak, cedar, pine, and underline the line. It is the tree called the bristlecone pine that grows upon the slope of the Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. Nevada, USA. You can find bristlecone pines on the Wheeler Peak. Peak name is Wheeler. And today that are over 4,000 years old. How many years old the tree was? The tree was 4,000 years old. This is the fact, Charlie. As an dendrochronologist, you like and look that word up the dictionary. When you get home, will you please? So that start me off. I jump into a great glass elevator and rushed all over the world collecting the special item from the oldest living thing. Now he continued and get back his work. He sleeved up, roll up his sleeves and get to back work. He asked the Charlie, what is the oldest living thing in the world? Charlie said, a tree. Charlie's answer is totally right. And but which tree? It is not Douglas fir, it is not oak, it is not cedar, my boy. A tree called the Bristol cone. And today that are the over 4,000 years old. How many years old? 4,000 years old. This is the fact, Charlie. Ask any dendrochronologist. What is the meaning of dendrochronologist? One who studied annual rings of the tree. Studied about the rings of the tree. You like and look that word of the dictionary. In the dictionary you have to find that word. So start me off. Right now it is time for Mr. Wing to start up his work. I jumped into Grace glass elevator and rushed all over the world. All over the world he collecting special item from the oldest living thing. First of all write down, look at the board. What is the meaning of fir? Fir, a tree with needle-like leaves and cones. Fir, a tree with needle-like leaves and cones. What is the meaning of oak? A family of large tree with a hardwood. A family of large trees with a hardwood. What is the meaning of cedar? An evergreen tree and sweet smelling wood. Evergreen tree and sweet smelling wood. Please children note down this hard work in your notebook. Now another meaning. Dendrochronologist, one who studied annual rings of trees. Another meaning is pine, an evergreen tree with middle-shaped leaves. What is oldest thing? What is oldest thing in the world? A tree, and the tree name is the Bristol cone. Now, Mr. Willy Wonka. Now, Mr. Willy Wonka started off and jumped into the great glass elevator and rushed all over the world collecting the special item from the oldest living thing. First item is a pint of shape means jar of juice. In experiment in laboratory, children, you know the glass jar is used. The glass jar is used. Mug and jar, glass of the jar are used for the experiment. Jar of juice from a 4000 years old Bristol corn pine. First of all, he take special item, he collect jar of juice from the Bristol corn pine. Then the toy nail clippings from the 160 years old Russian farmer called Petrovich Gagarovich. The toy nail clipping from a 160-year-old Russian farmer called the Petrovich Gagarovich. An egg laid by 200 years old tortoise belonging to the king of the Tonga. From the tortoise, egg of the tortoise. Then the tail of the 51 years old was how many years old? 51 years old. Arab bee. The tail of the horse. Then the whisker of the 36-year-old cat called the Crumpets. Crumpets, the name of the cat is Crumpets, and the age of the cat was 36-year-old. An old flea. Here the meaning of the flea is here. a small insect living on the skin of animals for their blood. In the animal skin, the flea stuck the blood of the animal. An old flea which had lived on crumpets for 36 years. The tale of a 207 years old giant rat from the Tibet. The black teeth. What is thing? The black teeth of a 97 years. How many years old? 97 years old. Grim-lacking, living in a cave on mountain Popocatépetl. Popocatépetl. Grim-lacking, living in the cave on the mountain Popocatépetl, and the knuckle bones of the 700 years old Quetzalcoatl from Peru. Please underline the word Quetzalcoatl. Please underline the word Quetzalcoatl, and meaning of the Quetzalcoatl is cow-like animal from the Peru. Knucklebone of 700 years old Quetzalcoatl from Peru. Cow-like animal, and knucklebone is one type of bone. One type of bone, and the meaning of the flea is a small insect living on the skin of the animals for their blood, and the Quetzalcoatl, cow and buffalo-like animal. Cow, buffalo-like animal. Children, please note down in your notebook. Now children, move on to the next page. Page number 101. Comprehension check. First exercise is choose the right answer. Mr. Willy Wonka is a cook, an inventor, a manager. We all know from little bit lesson story, we know that the Mr. Willy Wonka is an inventor. Wonka Vita makes people older or younger. Its answer is younger. Mr. Wong wants to invent a new thing. Now he wants to invent a new thing, and which will make a people younger or older? Now older. Answer is older. Can anyone's age be in a minus number? What does the minus 87 means? No. 87 age can't be minus in minus number. Why age cannot be in a minus number? Because we start growing up and growing up from born. When we born, then we start growing up and growing up. So the age of the person, age of the thing can't be in a minus. Can't be in a minus. Third is Mr. Wong begins by asking himself two questions. What are the questions? On page number 99, we know in the last of the page, the two questions are there. What is the oldest thing in the world? What is the oldest thing in the world? What is the longer than anything? What is the longer than anything? These two questions is Mr. Wonka by asking himself the two questions. Please, now children, it is a homework time. Write one paragraph, a paragraph. Write a paragraph with good handwriting. And the story is about the invention and the Vita Wong. The second part we will going to do in the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.